Well, you guys, it's the next morning. In the evening, I only saw those $3 and 2 does. It was right when I got in the stand. I just saw deer, but hoping this morning's a little different. We got Missouri's rifle season in town, so we'll see if I can get one with the rifle. It sucks that I wasn't able to get one with the bow before rifle season, but you know, happens. We'll wait, try to get one with the rifle, then come back next weekend and get it done with the bow. But see you guys out in the stand, and it's going to be a cold one, so let's hope to get it done. It's about 10 o'clock now. So far, I've seen $2 and 2 does. One buck was kind of pretty far in. He looked like a nice one, and then had a small 8-point come about. Got to about 30 yards away, but we're still moving around, so I'll probably sit till like 11 or 12, and then go back and head back out for the evening. Well, you guys, I'm set up in the saddle. I'm doing a little hanging hunt for the evening, but soon I came in here, $3 and a doe. I know they all didn't see me, so, but the bucks were chasing that one doe. She was in this area, so a little bit of her scent's probably still in here, and a little bit of mine's in here, but seems like they're running this field edge. It's a little strip that goes down, and might be able to get a buck cruising through there, but if not, there's this little ridge line behind me. But I'm expecting them to come down in this ridge line where I've been seeing them, or where I did see those couple bucks, but it took me almost 45 minutes to get set up in the saddle. It was just a lot of tinkering with how I wanted it, but it's only my second time in the saddle, so still getting used to it, so it's a little weird still to me, but I'm all set up now. Probably up 15 feet up, so hopefully we can get ourselves a nice buck tonight. Just Meh. Meh. Give me a clear shot. That was pretty hectic. I had like 2 bugs and 5 doe. Just start running all around me. One was a decent bug. I stopped it at 100, but I just couldn't get a clear shot and a good look on him. So I passed him up to take a better shot if I had another chance sometime else. Hopefully they come back because they all went on to the neighbors basically. So hopefully they start just making their way back here down in this bottom so I can get a shot. But we'll see what happens. Go down. Go down. Go down. I don't think you went down. I hit his leg, goddamn. He's right behind me somewhere. I don't know if he went down though. I think I hit him right on the freaking leg. Because his leg looked completely broken. Then he got to 15 yards right here and I shot him again. And I had to be right on the mark. I think he might be down. I think I see his body laying down. grunted, did like 2 grunts, and then there came a big snort wheeze. And I snort wheezed, and then he came directly at me. He was getting fired up and rubbing those branches with his antlers like that, and then he turned broadside. And then I shot him, and it looked like a good shot from the scope. But I freaking hit his leg, his front leg, like right by the heart. And then he ran. My gun got jammed, so I had to reload the magazine and then put it back in. He stopped not more than 10-15 yards from me, and I put another one through him. I think I see him, but I'm not 100%, so I'm going to get down super carefully and see if I can see him through the scope, because I think he's down, but it's been about 10 minutes now, but I'm going to get down and see what I can see from down below, because it's in some thick brush down there, but I really hope I got him with that second shot, because that first one was just not a lethal shot, and that's gonna drive me crazy knowing that I didn't make a lethal shot for the first one, but it happens. But I got a second one in him, which is the good thing, so I'm gonna try to get down and see if I can see him. Getting down from the tree now, and about 5 minutes ago I went down from the tree, and I could have sworn I saw him from the stand, and he is down, so let's go take a look at him. Here he is. What do you think?
It's good. A 9?
Like a 12.
12. 2, 1.
Ah! I got this. Get underneath. Sucker! You hairy motherfucker! Gee, buddy, crap. Holy motherfucker. You big boy. You big boy. Alright, you guys, well, here he is. It's a nice 13-pointer. My first shot, I knew it was bad, but not this bad, but I freaking hit him in the leg. And, I mean, I really don't know how I hit him that low. It was probably a 80, 90 yard shot. So, be disappointed on that shot. I had it right on him, right on his lungs. And I don't know if the gun maybe got bumped or something since the last time I used it, but I'm going to check that here in a bit just to see where it hits on the target real quick, to see maybe it got bumped within the last couple days or something whenever I was hunting. But it's a real old buck. It's about easily 200 pounds, probably maybe 250, pushing 250, but I'd say 200 for sure. But nice old buck. He's got a big body on him. And the second shot, it was a 12-yard shot. My round got jammed, and then I was able to get another one in him, and then I thought I saw him fall, and then I gave it 10 minutes and went down, and I was able to see his body. So got a little lucky. Stuff like that happens. Gotta get back on the next deer I hit to make sure I hit him in the right spot, but it is what it is. He's down, but hopefully the next one doesn't get me going like that, where I know, because I saw him running in with his foot broken. I was like, oh gosh, I made a really bad shot, but got him down on the ground. That's all that matters. And I want to thank you guys for watching the video, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.